welcome to my channel. I'm Stella. Today we're going to make a souffle egg and spin fried rice. Souffle egg is also known as the egg that was stirred 4,000 times. Souffle egg is very trendy these days, and I've seen many YouTubers make this in their video. The recipe is very simple, but I feel like my arms being paralyzed because I actually stirred them more than 2,000 times. So if you're ready, let's get started. Put a spam in a 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Then you can remove oil and salt inside. Take them out and dice them up. Slice 70 grams of green pumpkin and grind them using a device. Do the same thing with the carrot. Slice yellow paprika and red paprika for 50 grams each. Put 1 spoon of oil in a pan in a medium heat. Put ashore the spam and stir them about 4 minutes. Put a sliced carrot and stir them about 30 seconds. Then put the rest of the vegetable and stir them for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Put 200 grams of steamed rice and mix them using a wooden paddle. Put 1 spoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Put 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Put 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Stir them about 3 more minutes and turn up the heat. Crush 2 eggs and separate the egg yolks and egg white. Put an egg white in a bowl and stir them in one direction. As you stir them, it is getting whiter. You really have to be patient in this process. As my arms getting numb, I knew I made it. You can see that it forms a shape of horn when you take the whisker out. And it doesn't fall out when you turn the bowl upside down. Put 1 teaspoon of oil on a pan and spread them using a kitchen towel. Put a meringue on a pan. Place an egg yolk on the meringue in a low heat. Put a 10 grams of butter on the side to give a flavor. close the lid and cook them for 5 minutes. Afterwards, open the lids and take them out. Lastly, sprinkle a pinch of salt. Place the spin-fried rice and souffle egg on a dish. See how fluffy it is. It is much softer than I expected. It just melted out as soon as I put them inside my mouth. And I love spin-fried rice too. If you like this recipe, please follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to press the subscribe button below.